Hello, 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 and welcome back to Money Sprinkles. Happy New Year. Today is 2 January 2023. I am blessed to be here. Thank you very much for all the subscribers, all the people that have supported my channel. I greatly appreciate you. Um, I have a video for you today that has to do with my auto loan process. Again, I have been doing this for quite some time, but I wanted to actually show you how I did it, what I did, and the outcome. Okay. Only because you guys need to see that not only people talk about it, but they actually are doing it and are engaged in what we are educating you guys in. I am not just talking about it. I want to make sure that you know that I know what I'm talking about. Okay. Again, if you haven't done so yet, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I am loving all these new subscribers. I hope you are finding all my videos super educational. If there's something that you need for me to talk about, that you would like for me to do a video about, put it down in the comments. I read all of those and I reply to all your comments. Okay. So without further ado, let's get started on how I got my auto loan with Navy Federal Credit Union and what I did to do it, to get it. So here we go. Okay, so I don't know why I didn't do this earlier, but I just wanted to share with you all that not only do I talk about Navy Federal Credit Union, I also use the products. So today I came here, let me see, I came here to get my auto loan. I was pre-approved last night, and today I picked up my wonderful check. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take it out for you because I want you to see that not only do I talk about it, I actually am about it. Okay, so see, let me show you real quick. That was my check. Trying to hide some information so you can't see, but okay, yeah, there we go. All right, I'll show it to you like this. This is my check from Navy Federal Credit Union for me to purchase my car. As I tell you guys, my pre-approval video, you go in there, you get pre-approved. Right now I received like a 4.2 interest rate, so the rates are awesome right now. So if you get a chance to and you're looking for that car, I always buy cars at the end of the month or the end of the year. This being 2022, my big purchase for the year and going out with a bang, I'm purchasing a new car. But I wanted you guys to know that not only do I talk about it, I am about it, and I actually use the products from Navy Federal Credit Union. Okay, y'all have a happy holidays, happy new year, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, as you can see at my last portion of the video, I was actually at the Navy Federal Credit Union and I was picking up my auto loan check directly from them. Okay, it was December 31st, 2022. That's why when the video initially begins, I'm saying Happy New Year because I'm actually recording this video in 2023. But I actually made the purchase and got approved for the auto loan on December 30th. Purchased my car on December 31st, and now I'm making the video on January 2nd. So I just want to make sure that you understand that this video was not old or it was no old data that I'm trying to put in there. I want you guys to see, and I'm being 100% transparent with you guys. Okay. So what I did was, it was simple. I went to Navy Federal and I wanted to see how much, how much lower my interest rate could be. First of all, I had a vehicle that I wanted to get ahead and um, get rid of. It was still fairly new. It was a 2022 Lexus RX 350, but I wanted to downsize. I'm going to make a video all about that and the reason why I wanted to downsize. But I wanted a smaller payment. I didn't want to keep paying all this outrageous money on a car note. So I was looking for a good interest rate. So I decided that I wanted to get a 2021, nothing new. Don't like to have that 15% off depreciation immediately rolling off the car lot. So what I did was I went here and I'm like, look, Navy Federal has a 4.74, either a late model or a new vehicle. A late model is considered a 2020, 2021, and 2022. A new vehicle is 2023. Okay. And I know this because I just went and bought me a new car. Okay. So as you can see, the 37 to 60 months, the lower interest rate is going to be up to 36 months. I don't see a problem with up to 36 months, which is a year, but I wanted to have a decent payment, not too high, not too low. So I went with the 37 to 60 months, which is a 4.74, which is the lowest that you can get. Okay. So if you have that great outstanding credit with TransUnion, you have fixed your credit, you have done everything that you need to do, you can get a 4.74 interest rate with Navy Federal Credit Union. Okay, and here it is. It's telling you what the new vehicles are, the late models, 21, 20. Okay, they dropped down the used vehicles to 2020 because 2020 was up here when I purchased it, but I was in 2022. But anyway, that's still not bad though, 4.54 or 5.74. The reason why I say that is because the dealer that I went to was telling me that their used vehicle interest rate is in the 8.1 rate. That is the lowest that they're giving. I was shocked. I'm like, yeah, no, I'm not doing that. So therefore, I wanted to come home and make a video about it because I want you guys to see that, yes, the interest rates are high. However, Navy Federal Credit Union is still the best credit union in the world, and they are giving you the best current interest rates that they can give you. Okay. I did do the auto loan pre-approval at nighttime on December 30th. I was in bed. I was like, you know what? Let me get pre-approved. I need to get ahead and I want to get a car at the end of the year. So again, it was just so simple. Contact information, current housing situation, trade information if you have one, amount you expect to finance, length of the term of your loan, and then that's it. You will hit that. And then what happens is the pre-approval can only be used to buy from a dealership, not a private seller. Yes, I do understand that. But yeah, it's simple as that. Once you do that, then you turn around and you submit your application. You receive a text message or email, which is the one that I just showed you in your vehicle, letting you know if you were pre-approved and for the amount you requested. The email itself didn't say the amount, but it said that I was pre-approved. But I already knew because I had a screenshot of the actual pre-approval and the amount that I requested to be pre-approved for. And then we understand that when shopping for a car, you can always wait around for a decision. That's why we typically provide auto loan decision in seconds. And that was amazing. So the next thing was step 3. How do you want to receive your check? I decided that I did not want to wait in the mail because I wanted to buy my car December 31st. So what did I do? I went ahead and requested nearest branch. I have a branch maybe 5 miles from my house. Went ahead early that morning. It was actually Saturday. Wasn't even sure if they were open, but they were open till 1 p.m. and walked into the branch and I said, hey, I'm here. Showed them a copy of my pre-approval. They were like, go over here to this teller and she will be able to assist you. Went over there. No issues. In 10 minutes, I walked out with my approved check, ready to go car shopping. Took that check with me, went to the dealer. I already had done all my homework. I knew exactly what kind of car I wanted. Actually, I didn't know. I was debating between 3 different cars. Again, like I said, stated, I was trying to downsize, but at the same time, I did not want something too old. I didn't want a used car. I took it to the dealer. This was maybe about noon. By 3 o'clock, step 4, I took it to the dealer. And step 5, it says send us the title. Normally, the dealer will do that all for you. And if not, you can actually just contact the dealer and tell them, hey, why isn't the title sent to the Navy Federal Credit Union within 90 days of purchase? But that is something that the dealer can do for you. But basically, I just took the check, I paid for it, and I drove off in my brand new car on December 31st by 3 o'clock. I was home in my new car. Okay, so just as simple as I did it, just as simple as that. You could just purchase a vehicle, you could be done, and no issues. Okay. So I hope this video shows you exactly everything that I have done on how to get an auto loan approved with the Navy Federal Credit Union. It is just too simple. It is probably the easiest process that you will ever go through, as long as you have all your ducks in order and you have the correct information. It's normally just stated income, and Navy Federal Credit Union will approve you. Okay. I hope this video has helped you, and if it has, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also share with those that may be Navy Federal Credit Union members that might not know all this information. And again, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. See you soon.